I want to ask you 3 questions. What words define you? What interests you? And what do you find fascinating? This is all about artist development. It took me years to find my style in color palette, inspiration, and how to put it together that it was representational to me. Are you at the point where you're starting to ask yourself these questions? What is my style? Does my voice even matter? How can I connect my art more to me and not just what I see or the classes that I'm taking? If you are asking those questions, then this is what Found and Curated, a Year of Visual Storytelling is all about. Defining your style with colors that reflect you. Let's just take a look. What kind of colors would you have? Would they be pastel? Would they be greens, blues, violets, oranges? Would they have granulating colors? Mustards, pinks? Would they be bright? Would they be muted? Those are important questions. What objects would you have? I have all vintage things. I love vintage things. I like repurposed things. This is a necklace made out of door hardware. So these are the kind of things I look for. I love the shiny against the matte. I like nature. Everything I have around my studio is nature driven. So I have figures. I have leaves, I have acorns, I have whatever else I can find in the art at all times. Are you developing a story with your art that speaks about your individual design aesthetic? You've seen mine throughout the year. It's simple, it's uncomplicated. This is not an easy task to define your style. Found and Curated is about telling a story about your interests, your voice shown through your style. In joining this course, you will learn how to find your style and why it is important to you. Every month, we work together in design, composition, color, and inspiration to find what really matters to you and how you want to express it in your concertina sketchbook. Discovering that and making it part of the narrative is how your story begins to form and unfold. We will be using a concertina sketchbook. You can make one of your own. This one was store-bought, but I show you both inside the course. We are utilizing both sides of the concertina book because it has 2 sides, so let's take advantage of that. On one side, we are using it as a working journal where we can store our thoughts, our ideas, words that we connect with, items that we connect with. This was a palette. That's our first lesson, is choosing a palette that speaks to you. By keeping the records on the back side, it allows us to go to the front side and create a little more freely. So this is the first month, as we are talking about the colors that matter and what kind of items you would have. You see, mine are all nature items. If you've watched my channel for any time, you know I love nature. So what would your story look like? What would your style say? What would your art look like? This is what I mean. A style is something that needs to be developed and nurtured and encouraged. Inside Found and Curated, we create with watercolor, color pencil, graphite, and collage techniques. Creating in these mixed mediums will make your sketchbook an exciting place to find freedom, take risks, and gain confidence throughout the year. And isn't that what we always want? The freedom to just be ourselves. Let's discover the storyteller inside you by finding your personal style and color, painting, design, and so much more. Are you ready to get started? The year of your personal story, being created and watching it unfold each month is waiting. In Found and Curated, you will have 2 to 3 hours of downloadable video content monthly discussing color, design, inspiration, and creation, each tailored around your personal taste to develop your artistic style. The link to learn more and join the course is in the video description box. The classroom is open and waiting for you. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.